I'm going to make chira thoran. It has red spinach cut into small pieces. That's what you're seeing here. I have inside this thing, I have shredded coconut, a little bit of pinch of turmeric, and 4 or 5 Thai chilies. I put in the mixie and I made it to a paste. Shredded coconut, Thai chili, as well as a little bit of turmeric. That's what I did. So I put the chira. Chira is basically the red spinach in a vessel now. And what I'm going to do is that now I'm going to put the paste into it. I just covered with the lid. I'll wait for 5 minutes to cook. The water from the spinach will come and it will cook on the steam. So I have in another pan. I have some oil and mustard seeds. I'm mainly waiting the mustard seed to break and add some oil in it. Checking the other pan is getting cooked. The chira